Are you looking for the top 5 car cleaning essentials that actually work? No fluff. Searching for car cleaning essentials feels like falling into a rabbit hole of the same looking bottles, towels, and tools. Every brand promises a showroom shine, but most deliver disappointment. The real difference isn't in the ads, it's in how well they actually perform when your car is covered in mud, bug guts, or that mysterious sticky spot on the dashboard. Let's cut.
Product number 1, Armor All 3-in-1 Wipes. First up, the Armor All Multi-Pack Wipes. This thing caught my eye because it's not just one type of wipe, it's 3, cleaning, protectant, and glass, all in separate canisters. At under $11, it's priced like a convenience buy, not a premium detailer kit. If you want a quick, no-mess way to clean your interior, protect dashboards, and wipe down windows without switching products, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cleaning wipes cut through grime on seats and center consoles without leaving residue. The protectant shields vinyl and plastic from UV damage, which prevents crocking over time. And the glass wipes actually leave windows streak-free, something most wipes fail at. With over 30,000 sold last month, people clearly trust Armor All for a reason. It's not professional grade, but for weekly touch-ups, perfect. Now, some people complained about the wipes drying out if the canister isn't sealed tightly. Here's the thing though, this happens with almost all wet wipes. Just store them upright and use them within a few weeks of opening and you'll be fine. It's a minor hassle, not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for quick interior maintenance and don't want to deal with sprays and cloths. Skip this one if you're doing deep exterior washes or need heavy-duty degreasing. For the price, it's solid value.
Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for people who hate waste and love reusables. The Home Excel 12-pack microfiber towels. At just under $7, these gray 12.5-inch squares are soft, absorbent, and surprisingly durable. If you want lint-free, scratch-free drying and cleaning without constantly buying paper towels, these are a no-brainer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Microfiber lifts dirt instead of smearing it, which means less swirl marks on your paint. They absorb way more water than regular cloths, perfect for drying your car after a wash without leaving water spots. Plus, they're machine washable and hold up after dozens of cycles. Over 20,000 bought last month shows people are tired of flimsy rags. Now, some people said the edges started fraying after a few washes. Here's the thing though, that only happens if you use fabric softener or high heat. Wash them cold, skip the softener, and they'll last way longer. It's a care issue, not a quality flaw. This is perfect for you if you do regular washes and want reliable, eco-friendly towels. Skip this one if you're looking for specialized pods for waxing or polishing. For under $7, it's one of the best value buys on this list. Product number 3, Astro AI Window Cleaner Tool. Now, if the idea of bending over to clean your back windshield sounds like a back injury waiting to happen, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Priced at $15, it's a telescoping handle with a rotating head and 4 reusable microfiber pads. If you want streak-free interior glass without straining your neck or arms, this is a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 21-inch extendable handle reaches every corner of your windshield, and the 180-degree rotating head adjusts to tight angles. The microfiber pods trap dust and moisture without scratching, and they're washable, so no more wasting paper towels. It even comes with a spray bottle and storage bag. Over 7,000 sold shows drivers are tired of awkward cleaning. Now, some people complained the handle feels a bit flimsy when fully extended. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for heavy pressure. Use gentle strokes and it works perfectly. It's designed for light interior cleaning, not scrubbing baked-on bugs. This is perfect for you if you have a large SUV or truck with hard-to-reach glass. Skip this one if you only... Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for paint protection. The Chemical Guys Chenille Wash Mitt. At $9, it looks like a glove, feels like a cloud, and is built to trap dirt instead of dragging it across your paint. If you want a swirl-free wash that's gentle on your car's finish, this mitt delivers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 70/30 chenille microfiber blend holds tons of soap and water, creating a slick barrier between your hand and the paint. That means less friction, fewer scratches. The elastic cuff keeps it snug so you don't drop it mid-wash. It's machine washable and lasts for years, great for regular washers. Now, some people said it sheds a few fibers at first. Here's the thing though, that's normal with new microfiber. Just rinse it a couple times before first use and it stops. Not a defect, just a break-in period. This is perfect for you if you hand wash your car and care about paint longevity. Skip this one if you use a pressure washer or automatic car wash. For under $10, it's a pro-level tool at a DIY price.
Product number 5, Car Guys Super Cleaner. Finally, if you're tired of having a cabinet full of cleaners for every surface, this one might be your holy grail, the Car Guys Super Cleaner. At $20, it's pricier than the others, but it claims to clean leather, fabric, vinyl, plastic, and even tree sap, all with one bottle. If you want a true all-in-one interior cleaner that actually works, this is worth the splurge. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The nanotech formula lifts stains at the molecular level, so coffee spills, pet hair, and greasy fingerprints actually disappear, not just get pushed around. It's safe on most surfaces, except glass and screens, and the included microfiber towel is a nice bonus. Made in the USA with real customer support, which is rare. Now, some people said it doesn't work well on really old set-in stains. Here's the thing though, no cleaner does. For fresh messes and regular maintenance, it's outstanding. Just don't expect miracles on 5-year-old gum. This is perfect for you if you want to simplify your cleaning routine and tackle tough.
So there you have it, 5 essentials that actually solve real car cleaning problems. The Armor All wipes for quick touch-ups, Home Excel towels for eco-friendly drying, Astro AI for streak-free windows, Chemical Guys for safe washing, and Car Guys for deep interior cleaning. No fluff, no hype, just what works. Pick the ones that match your routine, and your car will thank you.